Hi, 1 Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to connect your Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium to Alexa so that you can use voice commands on it just like this. Alexa, set cottage temperature to 72.
The AC is set to 72.
And you can see it change there with our voice commands right where my finger is. So let's show you how to do this. Now, what's unique about the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium is that it does have a built-in speaker and microphone, so it'll function just like any other ALEXA device, like an Echo Dot or an Echo Show, and will also connect to your other ALEXA devices within your home. Now, there is a method to connect this right through the thermostat interface itself. You click on that menu button up in the upper right-hand corner, and then you click down here on a little microphone, and then it gives you an option to link ALEXA here. Now, when I went through this menu and tried to get it connected, it would not connect and use voice commands accurately. So there's another way that we've used to get it connected to ALEXA that works 100% of the time. So get your phone out and the Alexa app out, and then we'll show you how to connect your Ecobee Smart Thermostat to ALEXA. So you need to have both the Ecobee thermostat set up and installed and connected to the Ecobee app, which we've got done right here. And you also need to have your ALEXA app set up and installed. So we've got the ALEXA app set up and installed on our phone. So we're just going to click on the ALEXA app here, and then we've got a wide variety of options. We're going to click down here at the bottom at devices. And what we're going to do next then is go over to the top of this devices tab, and we're going to click on the plus symbol in the upper right hand corner, and we're going to click on add a device here. Now it gives us a couple different options, and we need to scroll down until we can find a thermostat. So that's right there. We're going to click on thermostat. Now we've got some other options here, and we're going to click on Ecobee. It says setting up your Ecobee thermostat. We'll guide you through the process. Click next. It says install your thermostat. We've already done that. Click next. Add thermostat in Ecobee app. We've already done that, so we're going to click next here. It says connect Ecobee thermostat to Alexa. We're going to click next here. Now we need to enable the Ecobee app, so click enable to use. Now we need to log on with the username and password that we used for our Ecobee device. Once we entered our password and click continue, it asks us for a verification code that will be texted to our phone, so let's enter that now. Then we click continue. Your Ecobee account has been successfully linked. What to do next? Close this window to discover smart home devices you can control with ALEXA. Let's click close. Now we're going to click discover all devices. ALEXA is looking for devices to connect. This may take up to 45 seconds. Great. It says one Ecobee thermostat found and connected. Let's click set up a device. It says, where is your thermostat? So we're just going to choose a location. Let's see what it says here. We're going to choose upstairs and click add to group. Now we're going to click continue. It says cottage is set up and ready to use. To control it, say ALEXA set cottage to 70 degrees. Let's click done. Now that we've connected the Ecobee app to ALEXA, that means that this device could be used with any ALEXA device like an Echo Dot or Echo Show. But in order to get ALEXA on this device and use the internal microphone and speaker, we now need to complete the setup on the device itself. So to do that, we go back to what we showed you at first, this upper right-hand corner, click on that menu button, and then we're going to click down here on this microphone button, and we're going to click on Link Alexa right here. Now we need to just scan the QR code that's shown on the device. This is what pops up in Amazon login, so just log in with your Amazon account information that is used for your ALEXA devices. So we're going to do that now. Then just click sign in. Now we just need to enter the code that's shown on the device underneath the QR code. And we click continue. It says Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium would like access to Alexa voice services and Alexa account connection. We're going to click Allow. Success, your registration is now complete.
Hello.
And you can hear that we've successfully linked Alexa. It gives us some prompts on what we can try, and we can just X out of this. So let's try some Alexa voice commands. Now, before you do that, you want to make sure that both your microphone is on and your volume is up on the speaker. So all we did here was go into the menu on the upper right again. We're going to click on that, and then we're going to click on the setting symbol in the lower right over here, and then we're going to scroll down and we're going to look at settings right here. And now we're going to make sure our device microphone is on. You can toggle it off or on. If you don't want any Alexa commands, you would toggle it to off. And then we're going to check our speaker volume. That's all the way up, great, but you can adjust this as well. So now we can go all the way back, and you need to use the name that you created for your Ecobee Smart Thermostat. So in our case, our Ecobee Smart Thermostat is named Cottage. Now that we've made sure that the microphone is working and the speaker is on, we can try an Alexa voice command. Alexa, what's the weather today in Chicago? So if you get a red symbol like that, it means that it's not interfacing with the Alexa Smart Assistant. So if you're having this issue, one way to solve it, because we've connected Alexa on the app and on the thermostat itself, is to just remove the thermostat, hold it off there for about 10 seconds to let it power down, and then put it back on the base plate. And what that'll do is force it to reset and then do an update kind of so that it will allow Alexa to work. So we're going to try that right now. We're just going to pull the device right off the base plate here, and we're just going to wait 10 seconds and then reinstall it. Okay, now that we've let it power up, let's try an Alexa voice command. Alexa, set Cottage to 68 degrees.
The AC is set to 68.
You can hear that it worked, and it changed our temperature to 68 degrees now. So let's try it again. Alexa, set Cottage temperature to 79.
The AC is set to 79.
All right, there you go. So if you're having problems getting your Ecobee Smart Thermostat connected to Alexa, I recommend that you do what we showed in this video. First, connect it through the Alexa services and Alexa app, which is what we did. Then go and connect it through the thermostat itself. Now, sometimes you can get it to connect through the thermostat itself without doing the app, but I have found that it works better if you have them connected with both the app and through the thermostat. Then, if you're still having issues, remove the device so that it has kind of a reset and it triggers that Alexa compatibility and it works with the device itself. So when we were having issues, all we did was pull this off for 10 seconds and put it back on, and that's like a soft reset of the device so that it knows it's got that Alexa programming in there now and it will work. So you can ask this questions other than thermostat questions, just like you would a typical device that works with Alexa. So let's just ask it the weather. Alexa, what's the weather in Chicago?
Currently, in Chicago, Illinois, it's 79 degrees Fahrenheit with partly sunny skies. You can expect more of the same today, with a high of 79 degrees and a low of 65 degrees. Would you also like tomorrow's weather?
No. So as you can see, you can use this just like a thermostat or like an Alexa device like an Echo Dot. So thank you for watching this video on how to connect your Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium to Alexa. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, or click any of the links below. Thank you. Alexa, set Cottage temperature to 72.
The AC is set to 72.
And you can see it change there with our voice commands right where my finger is. So let's show you how to do this.